When we first moved to Bowling Green, we came here looking for a dentist for my daughter. She was born with mouth issues. When she was born, she had soft spots. So she hated dentists because she had been having to go to them since her teeth came in. And once we came to Dr. Jackson, she wanted to make appointments. It wasn't like, oh no, I have to go to the dentist. It was like, hey, when are we going to Dr. Jackson again? He's amazing. And she's still like that, you know, and she's 18, or actually she's 20 years old now. As a doctor that's been doing this 37 plus years, he's probably seen every problem or situation in the book. So if I have a cracked tooth to some kind of major crown issue, he's seen it all and he's able to do it all. When you come to Chandler Park Dental, you're not just coming to see Dr. Jackson, you're coming to see a whole team. They're like a family. And Dr. Jackson's been doing this 37 plus years, so he's not just picking people off the street randomly. They're people that you can put your complete and utter faith in. And as a patient of Dr. Jackson's, I have never felt like just another patient. I have always felt like when he walks in that room, he sees Brooke. He remembers both of my children. He asks about their schools. He remembers the schools that they go to. He asks how they're doing in their studies. He remembers their studies. So he takes the time to individually remember every single person that he treats. And that makes you feel special.